Hello, I'm Dr. Rebecca Clum, the Numbers Lady, and it's the 28th of October. We're here on 28th Street, we being me, 2, and 8, and together we're making 28, so we decided we would take a little walk along 28th Street and see a little helicopter. We're going to see what we can find on 28th Street. We'll go a couple blocks. All right, and we notice on that side of 28th Street, and see 8 is here with her, they're getting ready for Halloween, with the spider of 8 legs. And we'll look inside and see what 8 has inside her Halloween trick-or-treat. She's already trying to collect trick-or-treats. Okay? So that is a Jewish synagogue right over there across this way. Its front door is not on 28th Street, so it doesn't have an address on 28th. It's actually on this street, which is N as in Nancy. Okay, if you can see that. So we're now at 28th Street here. Let's go on up now and let's see what kind of door numbers we have on this block. And we see houses on both sides. So 28, what do we see? Whoops, the things are falling off. All right, this is 1301. Here we have the date, the address 1301. It's the first house. It's on the right, and it is right up from the corner of 1300. Let's see what's on the other side. The first house coming up on that side is, I don't see it now. Oh yes, 1308. So we go from 1301 to 1308 because there's nothing from the corner. That's all the temple, so 1308. And then there's 1310, which is 2 more than 1308. And then let's see over here, do we have a house here? So we had 1301. Now we have 1313, which is after 1310. So they're moving up the odds on numbers on this side, the even numbers on that side. And what's next? This one, does it have a number on it? I don't see it. Maybe that's the same house. This one, do we see the address on that one? Some of them you can't see their address. They're very quiet. All right, we don't see that one, but this one now we do see 1319. And it's got a little lock on the front. And then this one's 1321, 2 more than 1319. And what do we have on that side? What's the number there? I see it behind the trees. 1318. So this one's 1318. And then we had 1319, but the 18 is further this way than the 19, so they get a little bit off. And then what do we have next? 1322 and 1323. So this time the numbers are pretty much across from each other, and we went up from 1321 to 1323, and here from 1318 to 1322. So there's no absolute fixture of how many numbers between each one. Let's try one more block, okay? We've now come to Dumbarton, and it should start now at the 1400s. We'll see if that's what's going to happen. You guys seeing? It's a beautiful fall day, my goodness. Beautiful, beautiful fall day. All right, what house numbers do we have here? Oh my goodness, what a lot of bags, huh? All right, so this one's address is on Dumbarton, 2801. So it's an address for a corner house around the corner. Hello, guys. How are you? On the opposite side, we now have, oh, it's still 1300, 1333, then 1335, 1337. So those went up 2 at a time, each one of them. And even the next one, 1339 and 13 1341, 1343. Those go up absolutely two at a time. And then what do we have here? 1334. And then 1336. And 1338. And over on that side, right across from 1338, is 1345. Next to 1343 and 1347. So there's a lot of very narrow houses in here. And then we have 1340. And that one is 1349. So they're across from each other basically almost, but the numbers are quite a bit down here. And the next one then is 1342, a very modern looking door. And then what we have over here, 1351, after 1349, so up two. And the next one here is 1346. So they're coming along in different combinations. Then we have a white one over here right across from 1340. From 1346, we have, I can't read it. It seems to be covered up with a little witch sign. Look at all the witch hats in that house. Oh my goodness, it's all decorated. So I can't tell the house number. And then we have 1348 here, where the door is back in through the gate. And then, oh, that one is 1355. I can see it now under the light with all the goblins and the pumpkins. And the last couple of houses, this is 1352, and it has lots of signs on the door. All right, vacant property. They're getting things done here. So there's a lot of work being done on this house. They're redoing the inside. So no one's living in it as it is now. And then we have no address. It's a corner around the corner, but there's probably one over here. We'll go check that as the last house today. All right, because this one's also on the corner, and the address will be where the front door is. 1363. So this is the original entrance to this house. And how about this one? 1359. So it goes up 4 from 1359 to 1363, or it goes down from 1363 to 1359. Okay, this is 2 blocks of 28th Street, and 2 and 8 as 28 are happy to see houses on their block in Georgetown, part of Washington, D.C. And 8 wants you to know, we know, loves Kit Kats. Let's see how many she has in here she's collected so far. Can you count them out? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And she has a little 8 number to make sure you know that she likes 8. So, will she get some more by Halloween? She just might. All right, this is the Numbers Lady. It's October 28th. Come back tomorrow for October 29th, and we'll see what we find in terms of number patterns in the neighborhood. Talk to you soon. Enjoy. Bye-bye.